Hi friends, I am Lalit from techfinite.net. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to create an Android web browser without any programming or without any coding. Android is a Linux based operating system which is provided by Google, and Android is an open source, and in general Android apps are designed in C, C++ and Java programming language. Java is preferred as there are many languages used while designing an Android app. That is why Android is an open source. And to design an Android app, coding is compulsory. In this video I am showing a small trick. I am using a small tool which is a Maxthon online software tool. Maxthon is an online software and a web browser company and a cloud connecting company. You can create an Android web browser using this Maxthon tool. I have given a clear description. First you need to have two images, one for the splash screen and one for the icon image. For the splash screen you need to have 400 by 800 pixels image, and size should not exceed 500 KB. And for the icon image you need to have 72 by 72 pixel image, and it must not exceed 50 KB of size. And in general .png and .jpg formats are used and recommended. If you don't have these two images, you can choose the default image which is provided. Just go to the Maxthon custom Android page to create your Android app. Click on make it now. Here you will be given a 6-step procedure. It doesn't take more than 3 minutes. Enter your browser name. I am entering my browser, and choose your app icon. I am choosing my image as an app icon. Choose the browser home page, that is when app appears, the default page that need to appear. I am choosing my website as a default page, and next you need to select the theme or skin, the layout, how it should appear. I am selecting a black theme. You can select, there are around 10 options. You can select any theme. You can see how the background has changed to black. And you need to choose splash screen. Splash screen is the screen which appears after the apps get started, app gets loaded. And I am using a default splash screen to show you the default option. And you need to enter your email address. I am entering my email address, to which the download link will be sent. After doing the 6 steps, you need to click on create Android web browser. Now the process starts of preparing your Android web browser. It takes around 2 or 3 minutes. I am pausing the. After the process gets completed around 2 or 3 minutes, an email will be sent, and mail will be sent to your email address which you have provided above in the procedure. And see how I got my mail from Maxthon. This is the app download URL. Click on it to download, and the most important thing is this link will be available for only 90 days. As I have downloaded it, click on OK. Yeah, see here the app got downloaded, and now you can load this app to your Android device, and you have created your own Android web browser. You can even host this Android or upload this Android web browser to the Android market, that is nothing but Google Android market, and you can earn from it. And that's all that's all friends. Subscribe to your YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Thanks for watching.